Welcome to our class. Today we will study making promises. When we live our life, we need to know this one because making promises is part of our life, part of our communication. Okay? So, what we need to know first, we need to know what is promises. Okay? It's very important. Maybe you know that, but I want to try to tell you about it. And when you know it, you can match it. Whether we have similar definition or might have different. Or later you might ask me questions. Okay? So, a promise is a commitment by someone to do or not to do something, or a declaration that something will or will not be done or given. In bahasa, if you can see it very clear there, janji adalah komitmen oleh seseorang untuk melakukan atau tidak melakukan sesuatu atau deklarasi bahwa sesuatu akan atau tidak akan dilakukan or diberikan. It's very easy. You can read it yourself in your own time. Stay relaxed. And then if you don't understand my explanation, I write some bahasa Indonesia underneath. Okay? Next, making promise is the expression how express your promise to someone. Like how to express your promise to someone. Membuat janji adalah ekspresi bagaimana mengungkapkan janji Anda atau janji kita kepada seseorang. See, they are very easy. And I think you might agree with me. You might agree with me. Before making promise, we need to know or we need to understand the following. What are they? The first one, think about the promise before you make it. Okay, so think about it before you make it. It's very important. Don't just say it because you might forget it. Okay? Second one, be honest about your capabilities, your ability. For example, you're going to say, hey, I love you. I'm going to give you 100 million or billions. Hey, you need to check your accounts. Do you have money or not? If you have only 10,000, just say I'm going to give you 10,000. Don't say 1 million. Don't say 1 billion. Be honest. Okay. I'm trying to be funny so then you can laugh at me. Okay. Next, number 3. Talk about the promise with other person. You need to talk about it with other person. Don't keep it a secret. Because if you forget, someone will remind you. Okay? Sometimes when I see you, every day, you don't really talk about it. You keep it yourself. Or for example, you promise me you want to study. You never tell your friends. And so when you forget to study, no one tells you. Again, no one tells you. Okay, you need to remember the S. And that's why you forget to study all the time. So now if you promise me like, sir, I want to study every day. Tell your friend, tell your mother, tell your father. And so your father, your mother, your friend will remind you if you forget it. And number 4, watch the things that you promised. You need to see like what you have promised. Yeah? And so you can remember them. You don't make people regret. You don't make people sad. So the 4 points, it's actually they are very important. Now, we're going to see the example here with the pictures. And I hope the pictures can clarify your confusion of how to write sentences using or making promises. Okay, see this one. Wow, I like the pictures. They are so beautiful. They have, I think, like a bit curly hair, and then I love the expression. And look at the promise. I won't tell anyone. So won't, I will not. It is contracted, or the contraction of will not, won't. I won't tell anyone. Okay? And now you're going to see the next picture. See that one? He is so cute. Like you all. You guys are so cute. You know, with the glasses, with the book, with the concentration. You know? He said, I will study more. That's a promise. It's very simple. So basically, you can make promises as many as possible, but you have to write them down, and so you can see which one you have done, which one you haven't done. They are very important. If you just make the promise and you don't write them, you'll forget them, because forgetful is part of part of human. I don't know if you agree with me, but I always forget things, and that's why I have to note what I have made. See this one. I will do more exercise. So see, you need to also make the promise to improve your health. And what about this one? I think you might like it. Look at the ring, and look at the hands. I will always love you. That's the promise. So from the 4 pictures, I hope you can think of what you're going to, what will be your own promises, or how you're going to write your promises. Or is making promises difficult? Making promises is not difficult, but maintaining the promise, it's the one that's very difficult. Okay? Now, we're going to see other example of making promises. And then here I present, 2 columns. The first one is making promises, and then you can see useful responses. Let's see the first one. I promise that I will finish the job on time. And so you can respond, thank you, I believe you, all right, keep your promise, I hope you will keep your words, just like the time answer it. See, the variety of the response is quite varied. It depends on you. Which one do you want to use? I promise you that that's the truth. I swear I'll never leave you. I swear I won't let you down. Example, like you love someone and the person also loves you very much, and then you say like, hey, I promise, I swear I won't let you down. I assure you that I will return the book tomorrow morning. For example, like I need the book and you need the book. That because I know a little bit about the content of the assignment that I'm going to write, and you come to my house and you said, can I borrow your book? And it's followed up with, say, I assure you that I will return the book tomorrow morning. See? I assure you that I will be there on time. Believe me, I won't make you disappointed. Trust me, I can do it. So these are samples of making promises. And then the other column, the useful responses, and you can use it as you like. But you can't use them, all the 5 responses together at one time. Just one, okay? Here, another example of making promise. The first one, I promise or I swear that I blah 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 blah. And I promise you that I swear to do something, such as I swear I love you. Trust me, I can blah 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 blah. Next, I'll pick you up. I assure you that I will return it on time. I won't go. I swear to stay here. I won't go. I swear to stay here. You can convince your partners, hey, I won't go. I'll be here. Next, I swear I will not let you down. Okay? Maybe in the case of you've been going with someone for about 2 years, and today you have, a bit misunderstanding of something, and then one of your partner cries, and then finally you realize that you have made a huge mistake, and suddenly you express your promise. I swear I will not let you down in the future. And the last one, don't worry, I will see you before I leave. Okay, here in the context of you know that tomorrow I'll be leaving for England, and then you guys love me very much, and they say, Sarah, come with me, and I say, hey, come on, I'm just gonna go to the market to buy some stuff that I need to bring with me. I say, oh no, I'm gonna spend time with my wife, my beautiful wife, my adorable wife, so you guys, can you just stay away from me today? Hey, don't worry, I will see you before I leave. See the context. So context will actually determine what promises that you're going to make. Now we're going to come up, or we're going to see what's the last, because I know you missed the last slide. You really want to get to the last slide. What is that? Assignment. I'm sure you get shocked. What? Assignment? I hate assignment. Hey guys, don't hate assignment. Assignment will keep you work, and when you work, your brain works, and when your brain works, you think of something, and then you learn something. So I think you need to love assignment. It's not difficult anyway. I'm gonna give you very simple assignment. The first one, please revert to slide 4, 5, 6, 7. The pictures with the promise on the top, because you will do similar things, and take a picture of yours, like you need to take pictures of yourself. Okay. Number 2, write your promise on the top. So write your promise on the top or the bottom of the pictures. Do it as you like. You can write it on the top, you can write it at the bottom. Here is an example. if you take a photo in the kitchen, if you take a photo in the kitchen while you're cooking, you can write, I'll cook healthy dinner, or I'll cook healthy breakfast or lunch for my family. And then the next one, so after taking a photo and then write the promise, you need to explain the reason. So the next one is explain the reason of taking the promise or making the promise. Like, you need to explain why. Later I will show you the real example. Okay. And then please post your answers in a comment in YouTube. Okay, so please post your comment or your answer in a comment in YouTube with no pictures. Again, with no pictures, just the promise and then the reason. Okay, please keep the ones with pictures. So please keep the one with pictures in your folder and submit it in my room when the outbreak of coronavirus is over. Okay, that's very important. So you can keep the one with the pictures. Now, here is the real example. Okay, see the pictures, and then I write the promise on the top. I will be your friend forever. So I will be your friend forever. And then here is the reason. I will read it for you. Okay, I choose this for my assignment because I have made my best friend worried about me because she has warned me not to go out yesterday, but I insisted to go out. She cried because she loved me badly. When I went home, she was very upset to me. I went right away to the bathroom and cleaned myself. Then I came up to her and made my promise that I will listen to her and be her friend forever. Okay, so that's all about our lesson today. I hope you can get the point, and I am hoping you can write your assignment correctly. You know which one you're going to post on the YouTube and which one you're going to keep in your folder. That's all for now. I'll see you next lesson. Bye.